Full or number 3 only?
No, that one from in the class and the close bracket, then question number 3.
In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting the question. Rakesh scores 18 marks by attempting 16 questions. How many questions has he attempted and how many has he attempted correct?
સમજ પડે છે શું કર્યું, શું કહેવા માંગે છે? We know that he has attempted total 16 questions. His total score is 18. Let me clear you. His attempt is 16 questions, but we don't know how many he attempted correct questions and how many he attempted incorrect questions. Is that clear? But આ બંનેનો ટોટલ શું છે? બંનેનો ટોટલ કેટલા છે attempted?
18.
16. 16 question છે ને અહીંયા?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now our first step, total marks scored by Rakesh was 18. Number of questions attempted 16. Now number of correct answer will be multiplied with 3. That is our first step. First step so also number of correct questions. Right. I'll do it in the new page so that you will be cleared more easily. Chalo. Total marks scored by Rakesh is equal to 18 marks. Am I correct? Number
Yes.
of questions attempted is equal to 16. That's what we have in the questions. So number of correct answer will be multiplied with 3 plus number of incorrect answer will be multiplied by -2. After that, we will get the total answer as 18. Any doubt for this? આ સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં કોઈને ડાઉટ છે આટલો? this part
No, sir.
સમજાય છે? Now in the place of number of incorrect answer, in the place of number of incorrect answer, number of incorrect કેવી રીતે મળે? કે total questions attempted 16 minus number of correct answer કરીએ, then after we will get number of incorrect answer. Are you getting? So what we will do is number of correct answer multiply with 3 plus as it is bracket 16 is the total questions attempted minus again I'll take the same number of correct answer. કે આપણે common બનાવવું પડશે ને તો જ આપણે answer મળશે. Are you getting?
The number of correct answer, number of incorrect answer.
Number of correct answer multiply by -2. Sukam number of correct answer, it is indirectly number of incorrect answer only. આ નંબર ઓફ ઇનકરેક્ટ આન્સરની જગ્યાએ શું લખ્યું છે? 16 માઇનસ નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સર. એટલે બીજી ભાષામાં થયું તો નંબર ઓફ ઇનકરેક્ટ આન્સર જ તે. 16 માઇનસ કરેક્ટ આન્સર શું મળશે આપણે? 16 માંથી ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 5 કરેક્ટ આન્સર છે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, તો બાકીના શું મળ્યા આપણે? 11. 11 ઇઝ વોટ? ઇનકરેક્ટ આન્સર. સમજાય છે કે નહીં boys?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the thing what we have to go, because there we do not have even a correct answer also, even incorrect answer. So x and y લઈને પણ થઈ શકે. Suppose correct answer may be x and incorrect answer may be y. So in the place of y, can I say 16 minus x? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
So number of, in the place of number of incorrect answer, a number of correct answer ને આપણે common કાઢવાનું છે. That's why we are taking in the place of number of incorrect answer, we are taking here as 16 minus number of correct answer. સમજાય છે? Now, can I say this minus 2 is for both 16 also and number of correct answer also?
Yeah. Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Yes.
A into B in bracket, A into B હોય કે A plus
C.
B કે A minus B in bracket multiply by C.
A
So can I say this C is for both? સમજાય છે?
Sir, that one not understand.
ઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા લીધી તી કાંઈ સમજવાની જરૂર નથી. આ સમજાઈ ગયું ભાઈ? ચલો નવું શીખવાડવા જાવ તો ઈ નોટ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ આવે. Have you understood this part? Now our step is what? Our step is number of correct answer as it is multiply by 3 as it is plus as it is. Now minus 2 plus 16. 16 2s are 32. Now 16 2s are 32 plus minus will be minus 32. Understood?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? Minus 32 minus again minus 2 minus number of correct answer minus minus plus. So it will be directly 2 in bracket number of correct answer. This will be plus 2, I think so. Over here it will be plus 2 and minus will be in the number of correct answer. Yes, it will be plus 2. See here. Are you getting this? This is the step what we did here. And at last, after completing this, our main submission is 18 marks. Now, have you got to solve this? Let me clear you. This minus 2 and plus 16. 16 2s are 32. Pela આ બેને multiply કર્યું. 32 minus plus will be minus. So plus સુધી એમ નામ. Over here 16 2s are 32, which will be negative. Now minus minus plus. So it will be plus 2. 2 into number of correct answers. So 2 will be as it is. Number of correct answer will be again in multiplication because there is no number. Am I correct? Am I correct or wrong?
Yes.
Correct.
હવે શું કોમન નીકળે છે? કોઈ કહેશે કોમન શું નીકળે છે? Can I say number of correct answer is common?
Yes.
So I'll take number of correct answer and multiply માં શું છે? અહીંયા 3 multiply થાય છે. અહીંયા શું થાય છે? 2 multiply થાય છે એની સાથે. અને અહીંયા મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન ની સાઇન મૂકો તો ઠીક, ન મૂકો તોય ચાલે હો. અહીંયા ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ સર તમે તો કાંઈ મૂક્યું જ નથી. So over here if there is nothing written that means it is automatic multiplication sign only. એમાં કાંઈ કહેવાની જરૂર ન પડે. Like this. So number of correct answer multiplied by 3. Can I say plus 2? Number of correct answer which is common statement એના multiply માં 2 અને 3 બંને છે તો 3 plus 2 add થશે which will be 5. Are you getting? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? હે?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then minus, then plus minus 32 as it is. Plus in bracket minus 32 as it is, which is equal to again 18. Any doubt with this statement?
No, sir.
સમજાય છે? નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સર મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 3 પ્લસ 2. જો બે નો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ કોમન નીકળો છે, નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સર. મલ્ટીપ્લાયમાં જે ન્યુમરિક હોય ને ઓલવેઝ એડ થાય. એ તમને રૂલ આગળ તમને સમજવામાં આવશે. પાવર એન્ડ કોમ્પોનન્ટ આપણે ચેપ્ટર ભણ્યા હતા. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમને લાસ્ટ યર યાદ હોય તો યાદ છે તમને? 3 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 3. If the base are common, this multiplication has to be added. 3 plus 2 is 5. તમને ધ્યાન છે? So total will be 3 raised to 5. It's okay, no problem. આ વર્ષે આવશે તો it's okay. So this is what the method is. 3 which is multiplied and 2 which is multiplied with the same number of correct answer will be what? Number of correct answer as it is 3 plus 2 is 5. જો આ number of answers છે એને plus 3 થાય છે. Are you getting my point? So એને number of 3 times થાય છે, આને number of 2 times થતા, તો total number of correct answer ને કેટલા time થાય? 5 times. સમજ પડે છે? Plus as it is, minus 32 as it is, and it will be here 18 as our answer. સમજાય છે boys?
Yes, sir. સમજાય છે.
સ્ટેપ વયો ગયો મારો. નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સર મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 5 પ્લસ ઇન બ્રેકેટ minus 32 is equal to 18. Now solve this. Number of correct answer as it is multiply by 5 as it is equal to, sorry, plus minus we will take first. Is equal to, plus minus minus 32, we open the bracket, is equal to 18. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now number of correct answer as it is multiply by 5 as it is equal to 18. Minus ને ઓલી સાઈડ લઈ જઈએ તો plus 32 થઈ જશે. This minus 32, this minus 32 if we bring beside 18 is equal to right hand side lay jaiye, so will it be converted to plus 32? Number of correct answer again multiply by 5 which is equal to 18 plus 32 is 50. Now we have to find only number of correct answer first. Barabar? So which is equal to 50. This 5 will go towards division. If it is in multiplication form, is equal to the right hand side jai to kya view jai? Division form. Samjhano?
Yes.
5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 5 tens are 50. So total number of correct answer was how much? Therefore, number of correct answer is 10 and incorrect answer is equal to 16 minus 10, which is 6. समझ पड़ी कि ना पड़ी?
પડી સર.
આપણે 10 શું મળ્યું? નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સર. ક્યારની મહેનત કરતા હતા આપણે નંબર ઓફ કરેક્ટ આન્સરની. So we got our 10 as our number of correct answer. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
That means total attempted question was how many? 16. So 16 minus 10 करो, 10 correct answer આપ્યા તો 6 incorrect answer આપ્યા.
Yes sir.
સમજાણું કે નહીં?
સમજાણું.
Is that all clear?
Yes sir, clear, no doubt, no question.
See, check here. A total 18 marks છે કેવી રીતે? તો 10 correct answer આપ્યો. 10 ને plus 3 થશે. So it was 30. Are you getting? Plus 30 આવ્યું. Then 6 incorrect answers. So 6 multiplied by minus 2. આ રફમાં કરી લ્યો એટલે આઈડિયા આવી જાય કે તમારો આન્સર કરેક્ટ છે કે રોંગ છે. Which will be minus 12. So plus 30 plus minus 12 plus 30 plus minus 12. Are you getting? So what you will get? 30 plus minus 12. So you will get 18 as your answer. સમજાય છે? So you already got that 18 marks over here. દેખાય છે બધાને? Boys, દેખાય છે? Total marks scored by Rakesh was 18 marks. It is already written in the question. Anybody has any doubt here?
No sir.
Sure na bachcha?
No,
Sure
sir.
boys?
No, sir.
Okay. See, again, you can refer this answer if you want. And if you want, you can have a screenshot also for this. પેલા આટલો હાફ લઈ લ્યો પછી હું નીચેનો લઈ જાઉં તમને. પેલા હાફ લઈ લ્યો. Total marks scored by Rakesh 18. Total number of questions attempted 16. Now number of correct answer multiplied by 3 plus number of incorrect answer multiplied by minus 2, which gives us 18. Now number of correct answer as it is multiplied by 3 as it is. This part will remain as it is throughout this solution. Understood? This will be converted to 16 minus number of correct answer to get the common. 16 માંથી incorrect answer જોતો હોય તો correct answer ના minus કરવા પડે, which will be multiplied by 2 and 18 will be as it is. Okay. Now this 2 will be multiplied with both. So you got this part. Then solution as it is. Number of correct answer common. 3 plus 2 was 5 and minus 32. As we got 50 divided, 5 will be going to the denominator if it will go towards right hand side. So we got number of correct answer as 10. Now number of incorrect answer is 16 minus 10, which will be 6. Therefore total number of correct and incorrect answer scored by Rakesh is 10 and 6 respectively. Is that all clear? Bachcha party? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 7. Who is going to read this?
An elevator descends into a mine shaft at a rate of 6 minutes. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach 350 meters?
હવે એલિવેટર એટલે ખબર છે બધાને?
Yes, sir.
શું?
Lift.
બરાબર. ડિસેન્ટ એટલે શું? ડિસેન્સ ઉપરથી નીચે આવવું. સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying, elevator descent એટલે ઉપરથી જે નીચે આવે છે into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
એટલે for example, if elevator starts from here 6 meter થાય એટલે 1 મિનિટમાં 6 meter રન કરે છે.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting?
Yes.
સમજાય છે?
Yes.
So, what is the appropriate question? The question is if the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level. If ground level that is over here, if we say this is our ground level, which will be 0 according to the number line. 10 meter above એટલે plus 10 meter થી ચાલુ થાય છે for example, which is over here. टेन मीटर थी जे लिफ्ट चालू थाय छे एलिवेटर बराबर तो 6 मीटर 1 मिनिट में ई रन करे छे. सो हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक टू रीच -30 मीटर? -30 मीटर मीन्स 0 थी नीचे 350 मीटर, सॉरी -350 मीटर मीन्स 0 थी लईने नीचे 350 मीटर सुधी जवानुं छे. नीचे बिलो 0 मीन्स व्हाट? जमीननी अंदर?
No, sir.
Sorry? 10 meter was the above ground level. यहाँ elevator હતું already over here. હવે અહીંયાથી નીચે જાય છે.
Yes.
અહીંયાથી ક્યાં જાય છે? નીચે જાય છે અંદર. Why? Because it has to be reach up to -350 meter. So એ ક્યાં જાય છે? Below ground level.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Wait a moment, boys. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry, Rachita ma'am, it was there was some important work. Okay, boys. So where I was, that we were up to, we started from 10 meter above the ground level. Above the ground level એટલે 10 meter ઉપર.
Four.
ગ્રાઉન્ડ લેવલ થી લિફ્ટ નું થોડું ડોર બોર આ તે આપણે ગ્રાઉન્ડ લેવલમાં ભલે અંડરગ્રાઉન્ડ જવાનું હોય, બટ ઇટ વિલ બી અબાવ ધ ગ્રાઉન્ડ લેવલ. આખું આપણે સેટ થવા આટલું તો ઉપર આવવું પડે. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? સો સ્ટાર્ટિંગ ફ્રોમ +10 it went up to -350 below the ground level. How long will it take to reach -350 meter? જો 350 મીટર જવાનું હોત ને પ્લસ 350 મીટર તો એ ઉપર જવાનું થાત. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? સમજ પડે છે? ઇટ ઇઝ minus 350 meters, so it is going below. Why it is below? It is said to be descents. Means ઉપરથી નીચે જવાનું છે. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે boys?
Yes, sir.
Let's come to the answer part. Distance descended is denoted by a negative integer. Why? Because the word descended is given. Initial height is 10 meter, which will be denoted as plus 10 meter. Final depth એટલે ઊંડાઈ કેટલી છે? minus 350 meter. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
સમજાય છે boys?
Yes.
It is very simple, huh? Very simple. No need to get too much confused for this answer, boys. So total distance to be descended by the elevator. Elevator ને નીચે કેટલું ઉતરવાનું છે? Plus 10 ઉપર તો હતું જ. Plus 10 ઉપર તો હતું જ already. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
સમજાય છે
Yes.
કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Understanding? minus 350 સુધી જવાનું છે. 3 એને માઇનસ કરીએ 10 સાથે, which is plus, we will get minus 360 meter.
Yes.
સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir. But the plus 10 will be plus in the 350.
Wait. There is a printing error here. Printing error. Wait a moment. Just a second. Huh? We have to add this. Plus 10 minus 350. Okay.
Yes.
Now minus will be plus. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
So total આપણે ઊંડું કેટલું જવાનું છે? 360 meter from plus 10 to minus 350. Is that clear? No need to write negative sign over here. અહીંયા જે લખેલું છે ને, it's wrong. No need to write over there negative sign. Now time taken by the elevator to descend. Descent means it will be minus 6 meter per minute. Can it be written minus 6? And if it is not, अगर न લખવો હોય તો પણ ચાલે. It is descent means what? કેટલો time લે છે? Time taken by, don't write minus 6. ચલો, go ahead with plus 6 only. Time taken by elevator to descend. એ minus શું કામ લીધું છે ખબર છે? આ minus ને કાપવા માટે. Are you getting? Because the word descent is written. But આ બહુ complicated છે. It's better let us go with, અહીંયા શું મળ્યું આપણે? Plus 10 થી લઈને minus 350 આપણે નીચે ઉતરીએ છે. So it was subtracted. બરાબર? ક્યાં સુધી ઉતરીએ? તો કે minus 350 સુધી. So plus 10 minus plus. So total ક્યાં સુધી? કેટલું આપણે નીચે ઉતરશું? From 10 to 350 એટલે 360
Minus
meter
360.
Listen, minus no આવે બચ્ચા. માઇનસ ક્યારે આવે? અહીંયા માઇનસ રહેતું હોત તો આવત. ઈ જ તમને શીખડાવું છું. અહીંયા માઇનસ રહેતું હોત તો minus 360 આવત. Are you getting? સમજાય છે તમને?
Yes,
Yes, sir. That one only.
minus plus. So it is converted to 360 itself. સમજ પડે છે? માઇનસ એટલે નથી લેતો કે -6 લેવું ન પડે આપણે. આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ અહીંયા જે આપેલું છે એ જ લઈને ડિવાઈડ કરી શકીએ. બોયઝ, see, 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. If it is use descent, you can use -6 also. કેમ કે -360 તમને મળે તો. But we are taking plus 360, so there is no need of taking -6. Are you getting my point? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, plus 10 થી નીચે ઉતરીએ આપણે તો એમાં માઇનસ થઈ છે, નીચે ઉતરીએ છે આપણે. Are you getting? માઇનસ ક્યાં સુધી જાય છે? તો કે -350 સુધી જાય છે. So what is our responsibility to solve this sum? By solving this sum, plus 10 will be as it is, 10 meter, minus minus will become plus 350. તો હવે આમાં minus આવવાનો ચાન્સ ક્યાં રહ્યો? So you got your 360 meter. ટોટલ આપણે નીચે કેટલું ઉતરવાનું છે? 10 મીટર થી ટોટલ નીચે 360 મીટર ઉતરવાનું છે. Are you getting? Now time
Yes, sir.
taken by elevator to descent is 6 meter per minute. As simple as that. 6 મીટર પર મિનિટ નીચે ઉતરવા માટે થાય છે. તો આપણી પાસે ટોટલ કેટલા છે? 360 મીટર. So 6 meter per minute. We have 60 meter. Meter got cancelled. 6 6 are 30. Can I say 60 minute left? 60 minutes or 1 hour to complete this 360 meter of elevator distance.
Honors.
See, thus time taken by elevator to descend. અહીંયા માઇનસ લખેલું છે એટલે અહીંયા -6 લીધેલું છે. Both are one at the same. બંનેમાં આપણે નથી લખ્યું માઇનસ માઇનસ. 360 divided by 6 is 60 minutes. That will be converted to 1 hour. એટલે ટોટલ 10 મીટર થી -350 સુધી જવા માટે 1 કલાક થાય છે. Any doubt with this sum?
No, sir.
Boys,
No, sir.
anybody from the class? No doubt?
No.
Chalo, with the help of this answer, we have completed our chapter number 1. And your homework is to complete your fair book with all the questions, whatever we did from every exercise. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One time, all the sums in your rough book, and compulsorily with chapter number 1, your fair book to be completed. Is that clear?
Sir, and we have to send to the Sunny sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no need to send on my number. You have to send the homework to the appropriate reference teacher. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Is that all clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fair book to at the end હું મંગાવીશ. Fair book નું કોઈ ટેન્શન તમને